All right, so let's talk about these type of power supplies that you have in your computerized mat cutters. This is, if I look on the side here, it says it'll run between 100 and 240 volts. So this is an international power supply. It's not limited to United States 120 volt world. It consumes 2 amps. It is universal 50-60 cycles. US is 60. The output, there are 2 outputs, 5 volts DC because it has the straight line, 3 amps maximum, 24 volts DC because it has the straight lines, 1.8 amps. All right, so I've got an AC power cord hooked up to line, that's the hot line, neutral, and ground. And then I've got this power supply with the 2 outputs. This first output here is 24 volts. It doesn't say 24 volts, but it's 24 volts because the other one says 5. The 2 commons are connected together. The power supply is currently plugged in and operating because I have a LED light. And this guy right here is the adjustment knob for the 5 volts output. And it says 5 volts adjuster. Okay, so I'm going to use my multimeter and I'm going to put it on AC voltage. And I'm going to put my red lead on the line voltage and my black lead on the neutral, and the meter reports 122.6 volts, a little over spec, but that's okay. Your power company can send it to you plus or minus 10%. All right, now if I switch it over to DC, the line with the straight lines, and then I put my black probe on the common and I put my red probe on plus V, I get 22.3 volts. So it's a little under spec, but in electricity the spec is plus or minus 10%, so it's fine. So if I go and I put it on 5 volts, I'm not getting 5 volts, but on a Eclipse computerized mat cutter, the bottom for the home switches is 5 volts. So this must read 5 volts or more, or you will have problems with your machine. So I'm going to take a little screwdriver and I'm going to put it in the little adjuster and I'm going to turn it until the voltage comes up to 5 volts, or maybe even a little over 5 volts, because the home switches on the Eclipse can run between 5 and 32 volts, so that'll be just fine. And we have plus or minus 10%. So anyways, I'm going to use that. So that's how you adjust this type of power supply, so your Eclipse won't have problems with your home switches. That's it.